Hi, my name's Eddie St. Jean and I'm the editor of Whatshot London magazine. We'll be interviewing Ash Chawla, the founder of Duke of Design luxury interior design company. What's the background to your company, and can you give us some examples of your track record as regards this particular project?
I started Duke of Design about a year ago, and before that I was a designer, sort of interiors and architecture. The reason I started off on my own, set up my own design and build firm, was I was doing all these cool designs, which on paper and 3D visualizations looked amazing, but somehow weren't getting across when they were finally being built. When I looked deeper into it, I found out that a lot of the details, a lot of the designs were getting cut out because they were either too expensive, or a lot of the contractors weren't able to go into such minute details. I wanted to get all these things, all these infinite sort of minute details constructed, that I had imagined.
What are most property owners' concerns in this regard? And how would you allay such fears and make them see the hidden potential in their property?
From all the property owners I speak, they have two biggest concerns. One is, the first question is, why should they spend so much money on the existing property and not use that money as a deposit to buy another property? And second is, how much should they be spending on it? Those are the two biggest questions I've come across. The first one is, I'd like all property owners to think of their own property as an investment, with a lot of potential in it. If you create a property which is beautiful, a high level of detail and design, if that's gone into it, it does appreciate your value a whole lot.
How would an interested party take the next step as regards working with you to increase the valuation of their property?
Well, the first thing is call us, meet us on site. We generally come on site, we look at the property. Our design for the property is very much influenced by the local area, the existing house. So that'll be the first step. Alright, we just wanted to separate the living from the entrance, but not lose the sense of space and the impact of entering the house, and seeing the sort of square below. So we put this fretwork, metal fretwork. You'll notice the colors are sort of color matched to the switch plates in the entire property and the leather door handles of the property. We had the issue of the low ceiling height at this property, so we've tried to add as many vertical elements in here. Notice the doors; they are quite large. That's the old door of the property, which we couldn't really change, but you can see the difference of the impact of the size of the doors has. Another tiny detail, we put some brushes at the end of the doors, so they don't slap shut.
And that concludes our interview. Hope that keeps you updated about London's refurbishment scene.